The majority of people who are 80 years old have difficulty performing daily duties that were formerly considered easy. However, if you are still able to perform some activities despite your age, it is not merely a matter of chance. You are remaining physiologically younger than the calendar indicates, according to the scientific community, which means that your body is aging in reverse. Let's have a conversation about what those things are and why they are important for your well-being, dignity, and happiness in life. So now let's get started. Number 1. Being able to stand up from a chair without making use of your hands? Although it might not seem like much, this is one of the most significant indicators of mobility and strength in the lower body. It is referred to as a sit-to-stand test by researchers, and it is associated with lifespan. You can tell if your muscles, balance, and coordination are all working together if you are able to stand up from a chair without any difficulty. Keeping this capacity demonstrates that you are safeguarding your independence, even if the majority of individuals lose it when they reach their 80s. Number 2. Continue walking quickly without pausing to catch your breath. Walking speed is a sign of good aging that has been examined extensively. As a matter of fact, medical professionals sometimes refer to it as the sixth vital sign. If you are able to walk at a regular or brisk speed for a number of minutes without experiencing any shortness of breath, this indicates that your heart, lungs, and circulation are all in good condition. Researchers have shown that elderly people who walk at a quicker pace for longer periods of time have superior brain function and live longer. Number 3. A minimum of 10 seconds should be spent balancing on one leg. Balance is strongly connected to the health of the brain, which is something that many people find surprising. It takes more than just muscle to be able to stand on one leg. It also requires your nervous system, reflexes, and coordination to successfully accomplish this feat. It has been demonstrated via research that having poor balance is associated with an increased chance of falling, fractures, and even a shorter lifespan. If you are still able to accomplish this at the age of 80, then your brain and body are aging together in an elegant manner. The fact of the matter is that not everyone will be able to do these things, and that is just fine. Perfection is not the aim. Rather, growth is the goal. Strength training that is not too strenuous, walking every day, and workouts that focus on balance will help you develop at any age. Even seemingly insignificant actions can have a significant impact. Celebrate the fact that you are still able to perform these activities. You are living proof that becoming older does not necessarily equal deterioration. Rather, it may mean coming of age with knowledge, resilience, and strength. If you found this video to be useful, please give it a like, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe to receive access to other health advice that is supported by scientific evidence. Also, keep in mind that even if your physical body may be 80 years old, your soul and strength may feel so much younger if you adopt the appropriate habits.